Stephen Hillary from Life Direct, and this is how much life insurance cover do I actually need? Get asked it a lot, sit down with people all the time and they go, cool, we've found that there is a need there, we've found that there's an issue. How much do we actually need, Steve? So the short answer is it depends on what you want to protect. So it comes back to you, it comes back to the client. So there's no one size fits all. But I have found over the years I've been doing this that there's a simple way to think about it. So what financial gaps would your family face if I passed away tomorrow? Big long sentence, quite easy to work out. So most people I work with, they want to make sure that the mortgage can be paid off if they have one. They want to make sure that their partner or their kids are financially supported for a few years. And they want to make sure that big costs like school, university, things like that are taken care of. So a simple structure I use to help people figure it out is this is what they need to consider. Income. How many years would your household need your income to continue? So what I mean by that is a lot of people will use 5 years or 10 years of someone's income and add that into the calculation. So say you earn $50,000 a year and you want to cover it for 10 years, well that's $500,000. Things like that. So it's quite simple maths, but it just starts painting the picture for you. So mortgage, what's left on the loan? Factor that in. Education, if you've got kids, and would you want to help fund school fees or uni later on? Obviously completely optional, but it's something else to put into the pot and help with your calculations. So add those up, it'll give you a base number, just a baseline figure that you can work with. It's not perfect, but it gives you something to work with, and from there we can adjust to suit your budget. It's got to come down to what suits your needs and your budget. So that's the key thing. Speaking of the budget side of things, there's no doubt that stretching yourself too thin to hit that perfect number is not really going to work. I'd rather see someone have some cover in place than have nothing at all. So I've, again, been doing this for many years, have seen the impact that these claims can have on families and the financial certainty and the safety net that it does provide. So quick example for you again, a couple with 2 young kids might decide that 10 years of income support and enough to clear the mortgage. Simple round figure. That might land at around $800,000 to, I don't know, 1.2 million. It depends on the situation and the scenario that you may have. We can always scale that up or down, again, depending on what the finances are. Also, your needs change over time, but as the mortgage gets smaller, you can reduce the cover amount. You might not need as much as you previously did. Or if you've gone and taken on more debts and had more children, then you might need to increase the amount that you have. If you're unsure where to start, you can use an online calculator on moneyhub.co.nz or use ours, lifedirect.co.nz. Better still, if you'd like to talk to someone, feel free to reach out. The key thing to get across for this is how much do you need, and don't stress about the actual number. You're never going to find the perfect one. But if you use those few steps that I outlined at the beginning, just to give you a bit of a baseline, then you're going to be somewhere in that ballpark. So again, if you want more information, jump onto the website, full of tips, full of advice, full of information that you can pull from there. And if you want to look at quotes, or if you want to get some advice around your unique situation, jump on our website, lifedirect.co.nz, and we'll be happy to help.